Hello, this is Karina. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best royal icing. Don't forget to subscribe, Cookies for Karina, for cookie recipes, decorating ideas, tips, and tricks. So you are going to need 5 tablespoons of meringue, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of water. Then with a whisk, you're going to mix all the ingredients till it forms a bubbly, foamy substance. Next, you're going to add 2 pounds of powdered sugar. After you're done adding the powdered sugar, you are going to grab your whisk and mix the mixture till your powdered sugar has fully dissolved. Your substance is going to look slimy. Then you grab your whisk and remove any excess. You're going to add your paddle attachment and you're going to set your mixer at low speed for about 4 to 6 minutes. Royal icing should look glossy and be able to form stiff peaks. If you're not going to use your royal icing immediately, you can store it in an airtight container for 4 weeks at room temperature, or you can also freeze your royal icing in an airtight container. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for my royal icing color techniques and consistencies. Have a fun day decorating.